I'm not saying you do that, but you definitely, you know.
I feel sides like to watch pornographic material.
Okay.
Yes, those sites. Instead of doing school-related stuff, we're now going on certain websites to watch pornography, and then we take those videos and then train on notes shamwari dzedu kuti ndakazonai akazodai so aine girlfriend yangu tichatozongotryawo zvakadai so zvandakaona chichi handikutogaina experience. At least that's what most boys do.
Boys danzi ndo zvamunoita kana kusho imimi ndimunonyanya kuzviita.
She's not entirely wrong. She's not entirely wrong. Because you find Kuti boys are like, I want to gain experience. Because this is an excuse that I've heard people talking about quite a lot. That at some point in time, I'm going to get married. And if I get married and I don't know how to do this, then probably my wife is going to leave me. So you find Kuti boys end up watching that kind of stuff and certain other movies, like 50 Shades and whatnot, just for the sake of experience. And blaming experience though, but not really experience. So now they try doing these things and then they end up involving the ladies in Kuti, look what I found. And it becomes a huge problem.
Iwewe mwana wechikoro unongwa kufunga zvemarriage. Nguva ino pano pfungwa dzemarriage dziri kubva kupi? Kuti hanzi munoti ndikazorora mukadzi wangu.
In this world and to be open to everything. People are open to everything, and that's why you find Kuti kune my early child marriages and whatnot. People are open to everything that I know funga into the future. Kuti because I get into a relationship, and so it may end up going to marriage and whatnot. And that's actually the reason some people are going into relationships, or rather they use it as an excuse to get into relationships. That probably we're going to get married, and by the time that we get married, ndingenda kukuzia in and out.
Toti munhu ngambotanga pedza chikoro.
That's true. That's very true.
Tomboshanda nekuti munhu ngambotanga pedza chikoro ozoona marriage pamberi apo.
I feel like the problem with Ama 2K is tunopanana pressure yekuti hey, I'm dating my boyfriend, we're dating to marry, he's my husband. Like we're no longer regarding boyfriend and girlfriend. We're not calling each other husband and wife. We're dating to marry. Hey, he's my husband. Like I feel like Ama 2K are delusional to the point where they say, this is my husband, stuff like that. So when he's talking about marriage, I understand Kuti he wants experience for when he's married, because tunopanana pressure kuti this is my husband, we're going to get married, tinyeperana, of which it's a relationship gonna last like 2 weeks or so.
Matuke mati munotoita pfungwa dzekuti marriage
muri
muklassi husband and wife.
Let me try to clarify.
Yes, clarify for me there.
Stint, when it comes to influence, I can't really say boys. Because girls are much more affected with influence than boys.
Yeah, that's
okay.
True.
In India, I could have a friend that's older than me, but then you find Kuti. What happens with boys now is we can't run all the way. Probably to run Kuti to border, and then to run because you find Kuti most boys you only have that one friend. You're not this is my actual friend. No codes or anything. And you have one friend at a period of time. So we can't really say boys are influenced with other boys, but rather girls take influence much more serious than boys.
Okay, Bridget, mapurisa vanga vatorara vese vasina kudzivirira, vasina protection. Chii chinozoita kuti mufunge pfungwa idzodzo dzekuti regai ndingonorara nemunhu ndisina kudzivirira?
I feel like these days boys can lie. Like vanokubhilivhisa zvimwe zvekuti unoudza unzi inini dad vangu vanoshanda kupi ndine mota dzakadai so I love you so much, so iwe unenge wakavharwa ne-love to the point where you're just like this is my boyfriend, we can do whatever we want, chimunhu wangu. Yeah, so I feel like ndo patinorasika segirls because we choose to believe vakomana vanotengerwa zvekupfeka nevabereki vavo just the same as us.